when you are starting up a company, there are various factors you need to consider, whether you are doing a business or sole proprietorship or partnership. There are various factors you need to consider, and try to look at an example. When you see a very beautiful lady, automatically it means this lady has done very many things, maybe makeup, at least to ensure that they are visible. And if they are visible, there are many people who will look at them. Maybe at the end of the day they will get a suitor, or maybe they will get a partner. So the same way happens in business. Profit doesn't come overnight. In business law, when you make there's a point normally called break-even point. Break-even point is a point where now you start realizing the profit. Because when you're starting a company or business, you cannot just realize a profit instantly. So what does it mean? There are many things you need to consider that you need to have done. People who are doing marketing, they use various terms like maybe price or product discrimination. A product, same quality, when it's sold in the Eastland, it's not the same as same price when it's sold in Westland. Or same product which is sold in the Western countries, developed countries, not the same price sold in the developed countries. So we call them product or price discrimination. And then when they are trying to bring an aspect or a product into the market, they can either use what you call market push, product push, market pull, or product pull. You may find maybe you go to a shop somewhere, you're given something to test. When you realize the product is good, you can buy it. At first time, the price is lower. But as time goes, because as demand increases, now they start increasing the price. So for you to be visible, for you to be credible, for you to increase profitability at break-even point, one, you need to ensure visibility. Is your company, is your business visible? Is it reachable? Are you creating attention? Are you creating awareness? How will people reach you? There are many platforms you can use. Like you can create what you call Google business profile. You can create a website, social media like YouTube, like TikTok, like maybe LinkedIn profiles that has the SEO content, search engine optimization content, so that every day you are attracting people to your business or your company, because you are creating what you call daily search, and this search will increase your traffic. You can get partnership events. This one can create or improve your visibility. You can't sell to people who you don't know. First of all, you have to know people you want to sell to. The first law in business is about visibility. Or simple as that, visibility. Are you visible? Are you reachable? Are you creating attention? Are you creating awareness? The second law is credibility. Can people trust you? That is what you need to show. Prove to the people that indeed you are authentic. Yes, you can create case studies, testimonials, consistency before or after. Like you look at like maybe products people are selling on Jumia or GG or Alibaba. Always people, they go somewhere to look at the rating star, and then maybe they can also ask their fellow people or other people who has tasted this product. And in innovation, there are people who call them laggards. We call them laggards. Yeah? Early adopters. When a product comes into market, there are people who call them early adopters. They buy it, they use it the first time. Then the people who come late, laggards, to ask them, how is the product? So that the first early adopters, they can give testimonials about the product to the people who are coming late to buy the product. So it is good to create trust so that people can prove the authenticity of your product. Attention without trust, there is no conversion, because you are creating awareness, you are creating attention that people should reach your product. But if it is not authentic, if there is no consistency, if there is no testimonials, if there is no proof that your product is authentic, then you cannot convert people to become your customers. Now, this is just a simple language for you to understand. And at the end of the day, always business must make a profit. The people who say non-profit organizations, I don't believe. You are start a business without a profit. No, there must be a profit somewhere. That maybe it is hidden, but there must be a profit. Profit can be offers, revenue, monetization. But through this, like products, services, subscriptions, partnerships, you're able to make profits. But you can make profit if you are converting clients to become sustainable clients or future clients, because there are clients who may not come and may not buy. They are not clients in the per se. But how does this one work? Very simple. When you have high visibility and low credibility, yes, it may go viral, but at the end of the day, you are not selling. If you have low visibility and high credibility, yes, you may look skilled. People will believe you are authentic. Yeah, they have testimonies about you, but you are not noticed. So the best way is to increase visibility and to increase credibility. That's why many companies, even Coca-Cola people know its brand, but they are still rebranding, they are still creating high visibility, they are still marketing. Why? You have to keep on increasing visibility, keep on increasing credibility, so that at the end of the day, high profit potential is attained. So the daily things you can do is very simple. Always create visibility. Visibility times credibility plus consistency equals profitability. A simple market idea. If either factor is zero, for example, if visibility is zero, automatically you will have consistency but there is no profit. At the end of the day, results is equal to zero. For example, I want to use a simple example of a CNC startup company, because I know I'm in this field and I'm also doing this. Simple ways, I think 7 ways to start up a CNC company. Number 1 is about the content. In bracket, the machine. Simple. What is your machine? What's machine cutting? Because you have CNC laser, plasma, water jet, laser, 3D printer. What is your machine cutting? Number 2, partnership. Always when you're starting, you have to create, even in terms of CNC, he has partners with different companies. Partnership is very important when you're starting, whether locally or internationally, whether with the other companies or with training institutions. is very important. Number 3 is niche. Which parts are you making? Is it parts for automotive? Is it part for aerospace? Is it part for medical? At least you must have a niche. Number 4, always ensure to get what you call visibility and credibility, because this is what will now prove the people that you are trusted, because those clients will now create testimonials about your company. Number 5, search engine optimization. Now, create website, create social media, but ensure you are using keywords, key phrases: CNC training, CNC machining, CNC operator, CNC programmer. Keywords that when somebody is searching is able to find these words, and even you localize them to where you are. I don't want to go into detail about them, but key phrase or keywords are very important. We call them search engine optimization, so that when the people are searching, the Google or the Bing will be able to optimize your word directly and bring you to close to your website, because you need to convert traffic to be clients. Like, you can also create offers in maybe through LinkedIn or Facebook or social media, or pay ads, or you can do what we call foundational advertisements, where you have to either launch through social media like TVs, or social media like the mass media like TVs, radio stations, or you can launch events. These are startup for CNC machines. But for example, even your course, a simple example, maybe your course, what you're offering, maybe say free weekend program, or free weekend academy, or maybe weekly programs. When week 1 we'll be doing this, we'll be doing this, like that. This is an example. For example, in week 1, what we'll be doing. If you have this content, like in number 1, content first. What are you doing? If, for example, you are starting a CNC for training, or starting a CNC for machining, what will you be doing? Because you need a simple blueprint that will guide people on how you're doing it with their certified cost. This is very important for you to understand how you'll be doing it on daily basis. I just wanted to give you a guide on how visibility, credibility, consistency is key to the success of your business.